Dear students, coal, petroleum, natural gas are fossil fuels. These have plenty of advantages, but at the same time, there are various limitations on using these resources. These limitations can be briefly explained on the basis of two factors. First, natural resources are exhaustible, and second, natural resources cause environmental pollution. Natural resources are exhaustible. Since coal, petroleum, natural gas are all fossil fuels, these are exhaustible resources. We are using these fuels in our automobiles, for power generation, as fuel in machinery. As we are making progress, the demand of these resources is also growing. Dear students, it takes millions of years for formation of fossil fuels. But the way we are overusing these resources will last only for next few hundred years. What after that? If your father brought you a packet of toffees for a month, if you consume all of these in just few days, will you get toffees for rest of the month? No. One day, these resources will end. It raises a serious threat of not having the resources for a future generation. The second impact is natural resources cause environmental pollution. If you watch news daily, you will understand the environmental pollution is a serious threat. Burning of fossil fuel produces gases such as carbon dioxide, that is CO2, carbon monoxide, that is CO, sulfur dioxide, that is SO2, and soot. Have you ever went through an area covered with smoke? How does it feel? Are you able to breathe in such areas? No. Presence of these gases in our environment causes air pollution, which in turn causes serious effects to environment as well as on our health. Pollution is the undesirable change in our environment due to the presence of harmful contaminants. These contaminants are called pollutants. You must have heard the words such as global warming, that is, rising of Earth's average temperature, melting of ice caps, infection of poisonous gases released from factories. These all are ill effects due to pollution. As a responsible citizen, what should we do? If you use the toffee of packet effectively, so that it will last for a month, you will get toffees probably for whole month, right? The same way, if we use fossil fuels as and when absolutely necessary, it will help to save some amount of these resources. Limited use of natural resources also helps to lower down the pollution, which in turn makes the better environment. Smaller risk of global warming and availability of resources for longer period. In India, Petrol Conservation Research Association, that is PCRA, has given some guidelines on how we can save resources. Here are those. Drive at constant and moderate speed as far as possible. Switch off the engine at traffic lights or at the place where you have to wait. Ensure correct tire pressure and ensure regular maintenance of vehicle. So I hope you will give a helping hand in saving the natural resources. Thanks for watching.